the grill, the marinade on the artichokes. So good. And the aioli, perfect. You need to try this.
We're going to make artichokes, but you have to parboil them. So that's the pot for parboiling the artichoke, and I'll show you how to prep artichokes. So as you can see, I took the stem off the bottom and I cut a good portion off the top. It doesn't matter because none of this is edible anyways. And then you make sure you go around each leaf and you cut off that thorny part that lots of people don't eat artichokes because they hurt. This is your solution to that. And yes, they pop all over your kitchen. I think one just went in my coffee, so I'll have to watch out for that later. Straighted, just clean them up after, really. So that's what it looks like. You can see it, all of them are flat, oh, except that one right there. So now nobody will poke their fingers. So now I just take the whole artichoke and I put it in this pan that I have with water and lemon and garlic and salt in it. And I just pop it in there and it starts its little journey.
Ooh, look at that.
So this is the juice of several lemons, minus some for the aioli and some for the pot. Just put it in a bowl with a whole lot of garlic. So this is a lot of garlic. Just pop it in this bowl. Some kosher salt. Probably about, what, a tablespoon? And you want to add your fresh basil to this. I'm using 2 kinds of basil because we are fortunate to live in a place that has lovely farmers markets and they have all different kinds of basil. So I just kind of make a stack of my leaves, roll them all up, slice the roll. But they're still definitely basil. So now I have all these pieces of basil, and you just pick them up and you put them right in your mixture. Here, let me see if I can show you what I mean. So the cake tester goes into the bottom, and there's some give, but not a lot. So you don't want your artichoke hearts mushy, but you definitely want them cooked enough so that when they finish heating on the grill, you're gonna have cooked artichokes. So these are already parboiled. They're still warm, but you can work with them now. You slice them in half. And then what you want to do is take the choke out because nobody likes this stuff. So I use a spoon, come over here, and I just pull all this out and I carefully take out this fuzzy stuff so that they're all going to be ready to go on the grill. Okay, and you have a clean artichoke half. Okay, so I have my cleaned artichoke halves. Here's what they look like. And they are somewhat fragile, so you want to treat them with care. And I put them all face down in a Pyrex dish. We're gonna pour this over the top and make sure you hit all of your artichokes with some of this on the top. That's very important because you want the flavors to be on the top too while they're sitting in this deliciousness. And then they just sit basically all day like that. You don't have to cover them, you don't have to do anything. You just let them sit until you're ready to throw them on the grill. All right, so we're ready to grill our artichokes. They've been marinating for a while.
Notice they're facing down. And now we wait.
Okay, 2 minutes is up. We're gonna flip these beauties over. Did you steal a leaf?
Well, it came detached, so yeah, it's pretty good.
You kind of have to baby these a little bit because you don't want them black, but you definitely want the grill marks on them.
So it pays to know your grill. What do we have here?
More artichoke that you stole? I notice you're not sharing any of that with any of the bystanders here. One more flip onto their backs. You can see they're starting to get really pretty grill marks. Okay.
Now they come off.
Oh yeah, those are perfect.
The grill, the marinade, and the artichokes. So good. And the aioli, perfect. You need to try this.